Tired of your laptop running at a snail's pace? You're not alone. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the top tips and tricks to turbocharge your laptop speed. Let's jump right in. Hello. In order to increase the speed of your laptop, on the search bar, type Run. Now, search for Prefetch and click on Continue. Now to click on Control on your keyboard to alight everything, click on Shift-Delete and click on Yes. Close the bar. On the bar search, type Run. Search for %temp% and click on OK. Click on Control-A, click on Shift-Delete, then click on Yes. Tick the box and click on Skip. For the last process, on the bar search, type Run. Click on OK and type Temp. Then Control-A on your keyboard, then Shift-Delete. Click on Yes, tick the box and click on Skip. That's all to increase the speed of your system.